Hey friends, in this video we will discuss that how we can repeat heading of the table on all pages in Microsoft Excel, or how we can repeat same rows on all pages in Microsoft Excel. Here we have the sample table. I will select this whole table. I will go to File tab. I will go to Print. In Print, I can see the heading of table on first page, but on second and in third page I cannot see heading. So I will try to insert heading on all pages. I will go to Page Layout. In Page Layout, I will go to this small arrow. I will click on this. In this window, I will go to Sheet tab. In Sheet tab, I will go to this option, Rows to repeat at top. I will click here and I will select the rows that I want to repeat on all pages. Now I will go to Print Preview. In Print Preview, you can see on first page we have heading, on second page we have heading, and on third page we have heading. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Microsoft Office Tutorials.